Let's see what are the late night thoughts of your person. Take your person's name three times so that we can tap into the energy of this person. They have a rush of emotions towards you, like they wanted to be intimate with you with the Knight of Wands over here. I mean, they can't stop thinking about you. You are on their mind 24 into 7. This could be a Cancer, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, or a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio for some of you, Aries, Leo, Sag, yeah, or a Capricorn or a Taurus. This person has a feeling that if they don't speak up right now, everything will be like in a confusion in future. They don't want to hold their emotions for you with the high priestess over here. They don't want to keep it as a secret. Definitely they want to bring out the justice in this situation. I think so. I feel like they wanted to end these struggles and they wanted to, you know, basically see you happy and independent with them. Their messages are like no one can compare this relationship with them. You are very special to this person. Definitely you are giving this person a lot of pleasure in their heart whenever they think about you. CIV, this could be their initial. WG, they want to give you equal give and take. They could be a vegan. J could be the initial. K, okay, K is two times over here. Y, okay, yeah, N and Z. This person could be your school friend for some of you. KV is over here. So this person could be from the school. This could be someone who is from Jammu and Kashmir. This person name could be Vicky for some of you. They have a lot of kink, okay, for you. And it's like they wanted to hold you tight. They wanted to give you a hug. You just kick this person out of your life, something like that. There is a lot of power struggle that is happening in this connection somehow. So you need to be a little bit grounded, both of you, okay? This is someone who is a little bit old school. They wanted to message you, text you, they wanted to hear your voice. Somehow, this person doesn't want to juggle you now. This could be a person with H and B in their initials. Okay. This could be your X and Z. U. This could be their initials. Okay. Yeah. You are like not giving any hint to this person, so they want you to give them a hint so that they can contact you. They are very much sensitive about you somehow. Okay. This person loves hibiscus flowers. They are having a lot of aggression, okay, because you're not talking to them, something like that. This could be a person which is like a VIP, VVIP. This person's name could be Vibhor. This person's name could be Nick. This time, this person is feeling so intense about you, okay. Their aggression is increasing day by day because you are in no contact with this person, or somehow this person has blocked you, or you have blocked this person. They know that you have a big heart, you love them a lot, but somehow things are on not on same page.